With Apple CarPlay, you can use various functions of your iPhone directly on the multimedia system. Please note that you will need an internet connection to use the full range of functions of Apple CarPlay. You can operate Apple CarPlay using the touchscreen, touch control, or Siri voice control function. Using a suitable cable, connect your iPhone to a USB connection in the center console. Open the Device Manager in order to start Apple CarPlay. To do this, select the Apple CarPlay symbol next to the name of your connected iPhone. Alternatively, you can connect your iPhone wirelessly using Bluetooth. To do this, Bluetooth must be active on your iPhone and your device must be visible to other devices. In order to quit Apple CarPlay, press the Home button either in the multimedia system or on the steering wheel touch control. You can call Apple CarPlay back up using the appropriate symbol in the status bar. In order to end Apple CarPlay, call up the Device Manager of the multimedia system again and select the Apple CarPlay symbol next to the name of your connected iPhone. Remove the USB cable if you established the connection using a cable.